Did you know that ginger isn't just a flavorful spice, but also a superfood with numerous health benefits? In this video, we'll explore the power of ginger, its nutrition facts, and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to its medicinal properties. It contains powerful compounds like gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties make ginger beneficial for reducing muscle pain, combating nausea, and supporting digestion. When it comes to nutrition, ginger is a good source of vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium. It's low in calories and carbohydrates, making it a healthy addition to your diet. You can enjoy ginger in various forms, including fresh, dried, powdered, or as a tea. Using ginger is easy. Start by peeling the skin off the ginger root, then grate or slice it according to your preference. You can add ginger to your recipes, such as stir-fries, soups, and marinades, or brew it as a refreshing tea. Ginger can also be used in baked goods like gingerbread cookies or muffins. However, it's important to note that ginger may not be suitable for everyone. If you have a bleeding disorder or are taking blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before consuming ginger. Additionally, excessive consumption of ginger may lead to stomach upset or heartburn for some individuals. In summary, ginger is a powerful spice with numerous health benefits. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can aid in muscle pain relief and support digestion. Just remember to use ginger in moderation and always consult your doctor if you have any concerns. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check my other food videos on the channel to enhance your nutrition knowledge.